Have you enabled developer mode on your Android phone but now want to turn it off? While developer mode is useful for advanced settings, keeping it enabled can pose security risks or cause unexpected changes in system behavior. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable developer mode on Android. Let's get started. Developer mode on Android unlocks advanced settings meant for developers, including USB debugging, animation speed adjustments, and system modifications. However, if you no longer need these features or want to disable developer mode for security reasons, you can turn it off in just a few steps. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and look for System. If your device does not have a System option, you can also find it under About Phone or Additional Settings, depending on your phone's brand. Inside the System menu, tap on Developer Options to access all the settings related to developer mode. Once inside Developer Options, you will see a toggle switch at the top labeled On or Enabled. To disable developer mode, simply tap the switch to turn it off. Once you do this, all the developer-related settings will be hidden from your phone's settings menu. To make sure developer mode is completely turned off, go back to Settings and scroll down. If Developer Options is no longer visible under System, then it has been successfully disabled. If you need to re-enable it in the future, you will have to tap on Build Number multiple times in About Phone to unlock it again. Disabling developer mode on Android is a simple way to restore default settings, improve security, and prevent unwanted changes to your device. Whether you turn it off manually or reset all settings, these steps will help you remove developer mode safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.